We're back. We finally filled our 8-box inner case or half case of 1516 OPG Platinum. Very surprised that this took this long to fill.
Yeah, you're not working hard enough there.
I am not. I worked my butt off to get this filled. So we had a few trades, guys. Here is the list after the trades. Anaheim Ducks was traded for the Flyers, as well as Buffalo was traded for Vancouver, and Colorado for Tampa. Last minute trade, Colorado and Tampa. So here you go, guys. There's the list, and good luck, everyone. Let's go with our first box. We're going to go from right to, we'll do one box at a time. 820 is box number 1. If you want to take the board off and have a seat there.
That's fine. I can just go take over.
Because you'll get tired.
I'll just walk around.
Yeah.
I'll walk around. It's fine.
Yeah, or you can bring a chair, put it here. I need you guys' help with base cards.
Base cards, right?
Yeah. It's okay. That comes off. Don't worry.
Okay.
You didn't break it.
He doesn't break things.
Oh, never.
Yeah. I remember that one time the electricity went out.
Yeah, remember? The whole store power went off because of this guy. Okay, let's go. Pack 1. Good luck, everyone. Let's put the camera right there. There you go. We start with a Yarmir Yager team logos for the Panthers and a Sam Bennett rookie for Florida, for Calgary. We have a rainbow Jake Virtanen for the Canucks. Woo! And Andrew Kopp for the Jets.
Everything goes with the hot hands.
Come on, Pavel Bure. Frederick Anderson, rainbow for Anaheim. And Nikolai Goldobin for the Sharks. Bure purple out of 15. Let's go. That's the only reason I traded. Patrick Kane, rainbow for Chicago. Is there Naslin auto? I don't think there's Naslin in here. Rainbow, Teuvo Teravainen for Chicago and Mike Condon for Montreal. Already has like 4 Chicago cards. There is Naslin auto. Oh, I didn't know that. Okay, there you go. Thanks, Chris. For the Chicago Blackhawks, wow. Patrick Kane and Tyler Lear for Philly. Yeah, Chicago had like 5 cards already.
They need the money back.
Chicago, you made your money back. For the Ottawa Senators, Andrew Hammond, retro. And Robbie Fabry for St. Louis. Hey, Lee.
And Andy.
Why?
I got Ottawa.
Oh, you got Ottawa.
Pimple.
You got a pimple. For Chicago, Bobby Hall, retro.
That's he's in the Prince.
Yeah, Prince traded, right?
Yeah.
And rainbow retro, Jacob Voracek for Philly. So far, Philly is ahead of the Ducks. We have our first tracks, and it's for the Predators, UC Saros. Tracks. And Linus Olmark for Buffalo. For the Ducks, Ryan Getzlaf, retro logo, or sorry, logo, and Artemi Panarin for Chicago. Holy Chicago.
Laying it up.
Another logo, wow. That's like our 4th logo. For the Stinky Leaves, JVR. And the tracks for the Flyers, Wayne Simmons, Nikolai Ehlers for the Jets. Damn, I can't click on those links. It's all good, Riley. It's all good. It was just a little, I don't know why I even got upset. Rick Nash for the Rangers and Adam Pelech for the Islanders. For the Stinky Leaves, Jonathan Bernier, and for Canucks, Ben Hutton. Yay! David Backus, retro for the Blues, and Jack Eichel. Hey! D-Man, you got Eichel rookie. And we have our first color. First is Doug Waite, rainbow for St. Louis. And our first red is for the Tampa Bay Lightning, Steven Stamkos. Number 2 of 149. All the trade teams are hitting. And we have white tracks. White tracks? Sorry, white ice,
White ice.
for the Winnipeg Jets. Andre Pavlich, 93 of 199. And for the Canucks, Hunter Shinkaruk. Hey. What?
The white ices are very common to find.
Oh, yeah?
See them.
Oh, yeah, I know. They are. They look exactly like the refractors. Oh, I think our auto is white ice. And, no, it's not auto. Johnny Gaudreau, white ice for the Canucks. For the Canucks. Wow. For the Flames, 5 of 199, white ice. And Nick Ritchie for the Ducks. No, I'm cold. Can you close the door, please? I don't know why. And if you can turn the fan off, that would be great. Thank you. Yeah, didn't it get cold all of a sudden? Should be our auto, and it's a redemption. And let's see. Platinum rookie, rainbow, no numbering. Ooh, for the Detroit Red Wings. Dylan Larkin. Wow. Good start. D-man. It's the rainbow. Very nice, D-man. And Kevin Fiala for the Predators. It's the rainbow. It's not the regular one. Happy birthday, buddy. Good start.
That's a good hit.
Good start. Box 2, 128. No. Let's continue with big hits. For the Anaheim Ducks, tracks, Corey Perry and Noah Hannafin for Carolina. Another tracks, that is for Philly, Steve Mason. We have a logo for the Red Wings, Pavel Datsyuk, and a Zachary Fucali rookie for the Habs. Should be Washington in here. Let's get OV. For the Sabres, Tyler Ennis and Jacob De La Rose rookie for Montreal. Mike Bossy, Superstars for the Islanders, and Jonas Donskoy for the Sharks. Rainbow, Brandon Saad for Columbus, the Dead Team. Rainbow, Garrett Sparks, rookie for the Stinky Leafs, and Mike McCarron, rookie for the Habs. Rainbow, Duncan Keith for Chicago, and Matt Murray, rookie for Pittsburgh. There you go, 1/3 of your money back, Pittsburgh. Nelson, get rid of it right now. Ooh, we have a Connor on the back.
Wow.
Rainbow, Nazem Kadri for the Stinky Leafs, and the regular Connor McDavid rookie for the Oilers. Oilers, you got half your money back.
Is it half?
It's about $15, yeah? Retro Tarasenko for St. Louis. What? And a retro rainbow for the Stinky Leafs, Antoine Bibeau, rookie, and Matthias Janmark, rookie for Dallas. Hey Dallas, is Janmark playing? A retro Ryan Hartman, rookie for Chicago, and Mikko Rantanen for Colorado. Chicago is killing it. No. For Chicago, Jonathan Toews, and for the Red Wings, Andreas Attanasio, rookie. Damn you guys, putting all these links and I can't see them. Retro Dylan Larkin for Detroit. Detroit's doing okay. Just okay. Grant Fuhr retro for the Stinky Leafs, and rookie UC Saros for the Preds. Retro Dennis Potvin for the Islanders, and a rookie Garrett Sparks for the Leafs. Garrett Sparks? No, that was rainbow. Oh, we have a case hit. It is for the, oh my God, I know someone that wants that. And number 10 of 10 for the Boston Bruins, Emerald Surge, Brad Marchand. Boston is Jordan JCC, and I know someone that wants that. Nice hit, Jordan. Jordan's on fire, too. Our second color is Edmonton Oilers, Taylor Hall. I thought it's Connor for a second. White Ice, 135 of 199. And Nicholas Petan for the Jets.
It can't be Taylor Hall.
White Ice, oh my God, of the same guy. For the Boston Bruins, White Ice, Brad Marchand, number 90 of 199.
Malcolm Subban.
And a Malcolm Subban rookie for Boston.
Boston got the money, right? I know it.
And that should be our auto, and it is very nice. For the Winnipeg Jets, Trax autograph, Nicholas Petan. Nelson J. 106. Oh, the tracks are numbered. The auto tracks are numbered. 106 of 125. Nick Petan. And for the Pittsburgh Penguins, Sergei Plitnikov. Yeah, you should have. Can't believe you didn't trade, Mike. I mean, you got quite a few hits with Chicago, but you I am sure Jordan might work something out with you. Show Michael's collection. Maybe you get hey, Jordan, you might soften Jordan's heart. Sorry. Soccer's 150. Number 889 is our third box.
Is he going to get one autograph, one jersey card?
Yeah.
Jeez.
No. It wasn't both not to 10. It was 1 to 10, 1 to 1. What was White Ice numbered, Marchand? 149.
White Ice is 199.
199. Yeah, sorry, 199. We start with a rainbow, Mikko Rantanen for Colorado, and Matthias Janmark for Dallas. We have a retro rookie, Kyle Bond for Chicago, and Jared McCann rookie for Vancouver. Hey! Almost. Tracks for the Predators, Mike Ribeiro, and rookie Shane Prince for Ottawa. Yay!
Regular?
Yeah. Tracks, Sean Monahan for the Flames.
That's going to be auto.
Team logo for the Flyers, Jacob Voracek, and a Larkin rookie for Detroit. Andy did not bust this whole case, no. For the Senators, Bobby Ryan, Superstars, and Brandon Gaunce, rookie for Vancouver. Hey!
You got the entire set.
I did. Team logo for the Jets, Andrew Ladd, and Daniel Sprung for Pittsburgh. Slick. Rainbow, Semyon Varlamov for Colorado, and Gustav Olofsson for Minnesota. Rainbow, Brian Little for the Jets, and Chandler Stevenson for Washington. Rainbow, Milan Lucic for LA. For Boston, retro, Bobby Orr and Noah Hannafin for Carolina. Second one. Oliver Ekman Larson retro for Arizona, and Zach Fucali for Montreal. Nobody, every time you come in, you miss the breaks. I asked you, I called your name a bunch of times, but I think you were busy. Oh, we got our retro auto. or a Legends auto. For the Red Wings, Henrik Zetterberg, and it's not Legend at all. For the Calgary Flames, Blue Rainbow autograph, Josh Juris.
He's everywhere.
Josh Juris.
Is he still playing?
No, so not Josh. I'm thinking.
Yeah, we can do some $10 breaks, Beard and Butter. If you wanted to hang out, we'll most likely do some 10s if we have enough people. Max Domi for Arizona and Jonas Donskoy for San Jose. I told everyone I think he went to put the baby to sleep again. For Philly, Nick Cousins retro and Jacob Delarose for Montreal. Not sure, Jordan. Not sure. Yuri Hudler, retro for Calgary, and the rookie Mike McCarron for Montreal. Our first color of the box is Zach Parise, red rainbow, 43 of 149 for Minnesota. And for Calgary, white ice, Sean Monahan, number 43 of 199. And a second Matt Murray for Pittsburgh. There you go, 2/3 of your money back. Yeah, if you're down for the $10 breaks, we're definitely going to do if we have enough people. And my favorite color is blue cubes for the Coyotes. Oliver Ekman Larson, 12 of 75. And Edmonton spot is paid off. Connor McDavid, rookie. You had two of them, 15 times 2, that's $30, and that pays for your spot, buddy. Everything else is just gravy. And our autograph is boo. For the Chicago Blackhawks, Ryan Hartman, rookie auto. Boo. Yeah, Chicago is just killing it. But I am sure Chicago is willing to give all those hits up for those two Marchands, correct? Box 4, 125. Beard and Butter, if you are down for the $10 breaks, you could just send me your payment now that I guarantee to put your spot. Because I am sure we would do at least one $10 break. Rainbow for the Devils, Adam Henrique. Tracks for the Predators, Philip Forsberg and Nick Ritchie, rookie for Anaheim. Hey, Benny. Okay, brother. Good to know. For the Oilers, there goes the gravy. Rookie tracks, Connor McDavid.
Is that gravy?
That is gravy. Where is Edmonton? Kyle Lavallee. Your gravy is here. And for the Predators, Kevin Fiala, rookie.
3 Connors in a box, huh?
Yeah. What do you think is that tracks going for? 30?
Is it numbered?
The tracks are not numbered. That's why.
50, 60,
50?
50?
40?
40, 50, about 40, 50, Kyle. Talented trophy talent for the Devils, Marty Brodeur. And Matt Pumple, rookie for Ottawa. Hey. Andy is killing it.
Yeah.
He's you're $27 away. From
All I need is one card.
For the Blue Jackets, Nick Foligno.
You need the other one.
The golden track.
Yeah, that's a beautiful. I love those tracks.
Yeah.
Kyle, those tracks are really nice. 50 plus. Wow, good for you, for him. For the Rangers, Rick Nash logo and Emile Poirier for Calgary.
That's what I'm noticing cases. But you get the 2 to 3.
Rainbow Neil Yakupov for Edmonton. You thought it's him again?
That's minus money.
Jared McCann for the Canucks.
He's gonna get traded anyway.
That would have been nice if that was a rainbow, Connor. He would get the regular, the tracks, and rainbow in a half case. That's not bad at all. Well, I think Monahan Rainbow is going to be completed soon. A rainbow Monahan. That's like the 4th different Monahan. Shane Prince, rookie for Ottawa.
retro or is it normal?
No, just regular. That's negative too, huh?
No, that's
For the
positive.
Sharks, Rainbow, Joe Thornton. It did. That Yakupov just ruined it. Mike McCarron, Rainbow, rookie for Montreal, and Larkin for the Red Wings.
Yeah, Rockington put it out in this case.
Yep. Second Larkin rookie, other than the auto.
Retro.
Oh yeah, retro.
It's orange rainbow.
Yay, I see a Brandon Gauntz rookie at the back.
Didn't you hit that?
Retro, Josh Anderson for the
Yeah,
Dead
sold
Team,
already.
and Brandon Gauntz for Vancouver.
$45.
For what?
Auction?
Yeah. No, I'll buy it now.
Rainbow, Grand Fuhrer for Edmonton, and Nikolai Goldobin, retro rookie for San Jose. What'd you sell for 45?
The Larkin.
Oh.
One like you said, go.
Retro, Slater Cuckoo for Tampa, and Daniel Sprung for Pittsburgh. Sprung. Retro, Andrew Ladd for Winnipeg. And rookie, Brock McGinn for Carolina. And our colors should be coming up shortly. Retro, Carey Price for Montreal. Retro, Kevin Fiala for Nashville, and Gustav Olofsson for Minnesota. Should be our first color here, and it is Black Ice for the Dallas Stars, Matthias Janmark, 48 of 99. And White Ice for the Capitals, Nicholas Backstrom, 49 of 199. And a Matthias Janmark, regular rookie for Dallas.
I can only buy now.
Yeah, Black Ice, Rainbow, regular. And a White Ice for Montreal, Alex Galchenyuk, number 183 of 199. And come on, big auto. Come on, big auto. It's a gold prism auto, hopefully. And it is for the Calgary Flames, Emile Poirier.
It's everywhere.
5 of 25. Come on, couldn't be someone better. Emile Poirier, 5 of 25.
Is that the disco ball one?
Yep, disco ball.
Disco ball.
And Noah Hannafin, rookie for Carolina.
But yours.
Halfway there. Come on, Pavel Bure, where are you?
I thought you meant to hit one, dude, I thought I saw it.
Ooh, big hit.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, the auto and the colors are on the left bottom of the box. Most of them. Not all. We got fooled a couple of times when we were doing the master case. I pretended that I know where it is, and I pulled it, and it wasn't. So, embarrassed myself.
There's one card on the
Okay, we start with a Rainbow Retro for Anaheim, Corey Perry. For the Montreal Canadiens, Tracks, Zachary Fucali. Nice. And for Coyotes, Max Domi. Coyotes, you say Coyotes. And the tracks are usually at the top of the right side. Mike Hoffman for Ottawa.
Yeah.
Nick Shore for LA.
That was an rookie, was it?
Hoffman, no. His rookie was last year. For the LA Kings, team logos, Andrei Kopitar, and third, Gustav Olofsson for the Wild. Logos, Jamie Benn for Dallas, and Connor Hellebuck for the Jets. Team logos, Sid the Kid for Pittsburgh, and Colton Periaco for St. Louis. Hey. You're still not even halfway there, huh?
Not even getting.
Rainbow, Zach Parise for Minnesota.
I need to see redemptions. That's when you put the redemption.
Oh, Fabry's Redemption. Rainbow, UC Saros for Nashville, and Jake Virtanen for Canucks. Hey.
And I like that for autographs.
You like what?
The retro song.
Oh,
Autograph black stuff. Lost.
The one that looks like a sticker, but it's not.
Yeah.
That's how they look, right?
Yeah.
Rainbow, Steven Stamkos for Tampa, and rookie Devin Shore for Dallas. Oh, Hoffman is 11-12. Yeah, sorry, my bad. Rainbow, Jonathan Bernier for the Leafs, and Oscar Lindbergh for Rangers. No. Even on eBay?
No, not many. Got 5.
Bobby Ryan, retro for Ottawa.
Yeah. You almost get your money back.
Retro, Marty Brodeur for New Jersey, and Ryan Hartman for Chicago. We have our first color. First is a retro. Is that auto? Yeah. Retro, Philip Forsberg for Nashville, and for the Ottawa Senators, blue rainbow autograph, Curtis Lazar.
Oh, who was talking about Lazar earlier? Somebody was asking about Lazar.
And Stanislav Galiev for Washington.
Is that a sticker one?
Yeah.
Someone
Daryl says I want that card. Yeah, D-Man.
D-Man, okay.
D-Man wants it. Sorry.
Hey, got my money back.
Tyler Sagan, retro for Dallas, and Charles Houdon for Montreal. Retro, Doug Waite for the Oilers. Talk to Andy, Daryl. He's on my group and on Facebook. Retro, Ovi for Washington, and Nikolai Ehlers for the Jets. Red Prism for the St. Louis Blues, Alexander Steen. 119 of 149, and Linus Omark for Buffalo.
I want a Sheen Prince.
White Ice, hey, for the Vancouver Canucks, Bo Horvat. 176 of 199. And Artemi Panarin for Chicago, huh?
Yeah, you're 1/3 of the way there.
Yeah. And we have a gold for the LA Kings, Andre Kopitar, disco ball. 35 of 50. Andre Kopitar.
So the non-auto is 50, the auto is 25.
And it should be our auto here.
Sheen Prince.
And it's rainbow, and it is for the Coyotes, Henrik Samuelsson, rookie rainbow autograph. Henrik Samuelsson. Domi is redemption, right? And Sam Bennett, rookie for Calgary.
I think so. Well, yeah. He's my competition right now.
What?
And welcome.
Oh, hey, Daryl, my name's Andy Y in Blue Man's group. Just add me and we'll talk.
Did you hear that, D-Man? Box 6 is 891.
What's Curtis Lazar? Is his name Captain Canada?
That's what you said earlier.
Captain Canada?
Is he Captain Canada, D-Man?
No, he's Mr. Smiley Man. He's Mr. Happy.
Oh, he's always smiling,
He's
yeah.
always happy.
He's always smiling.
Great, great.
Rainbow, Patrice Bergeron for Boston,
Great
and
person.
Mikko Rantanen, rookie for Colorado.
It's always good to have.
What am I doing?
No, I have no idea.
Yeah, let's...
Stacks.
How are you separating the pack?
No, because they're so slippery. If I put them on top, they're
Oh,
gonna
I see,
slide.
I see.
That's why I just put them stacks like that. He has the hardest Canadian accent in the league.
Who?
Lazar.
He's from BC.
Rainbow, is he?
Yeah.
Rainbow, Andrew Hammond for Ottawa. Is that another guy I should collect? Andreas Atanasio for Detroit.
Curtis Lazar? No, he's from the interior BC.
Oh, never mind. Retro, John Van Beesbrook for Florida. Hey, Jack Eichel, retro for Buffalo. UC Saros, rookie for Nashville.
He's very unhappy right now.
No, look at that.
Who has Buffalo?
I traded with
D-Man.
D-Man. Connor Hellebuck for retro rookie for Winnipeg, and Garrett Sparks for the Leafs. And Ryan Getzlaff, Anaheim, retro, and Nick Pittan, Winnipeg. For Boston, a retro Malcolm Subban.
He's got stats, but he wants more.
Patrick Roy, retro for Montreal, and a Malcolm Subban rookie for Boston.
He'll take him over.
Oh yeah, he doesn't care. Doubles, triples, quads, tens, doesn't matter. We have our first color. It is black ice for the Rangers. Rick Nash, 57 of 99. And for the Penguins, Sergei Pletnikov. And another color for the Dallas Stars, white ice, Tyler Seguin, 140 of 199. Look at that, back to back. And for the Coyotes, Max Domi. Pletnikov, Rick Trash. That's a good name. And we have a gold, and it's for Colorado. Not bad. Ray Burke. 148 of 149. Ray Burke retro gold for Colorado. There you go, Nelson. Your buddy.
What about Donskoy? Has he been hit yet?
Donskoy. What do you mean? In here?
I haven't heard that name yet.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. For the Anaheim Ducks, Superstars die cut autograph, Corey Perry. On-card autograph. Very nice. One per case. That's case hit right there. Very nice. Congrats, Anaheim. That was a traded team. Yeah. Denny W. Traded with Stephen Adam. Nick Shore, rookie
Who do they get?
for LA. They traded Philly for Anaheim. Retro rainbow rookie for the Winnipeg Jets, Nikolai Ehlers. And for the Canadians, Zach Fucali. Oops, number 2. What was oops number 1?
Steph? Oops.
I don't even think Denny is here to see that card. For the Bruins, Matt Beleskey, tracks. And rookie, Jacob Delarose for Montreal. Is Jacob Delarose still with the Habs?
In the minors.
Minors?
Well, not minors, but the
No, he was up there.
Another tracks. That is for Chicago, Corey Crawford. For the Chicago Blackhawks, Bobby Hall, Superstars. Yeah, Chicago is just. And there is Jonas Donskoy for San Jose. Oh, you got the case hit, Denny. Corey Perry. You get 1 per case. Mike McCarron, rookie for Montreal, and team logos. Steven Stamkos for Tampa. Yeah, that's a very nice looking card. For the Flames, Yuri Hudler. And there is your full money back now. Your third Matt Murray rookie for Pittsburgh. There's 30 bucks right there. Pittsburgh is paid off.
That is crazy. Third Matt Murray.
We just need a Matt Murray color now, and then he will be gravy. The only gravy part is Edmonton right now. Jimmy Howard retro.
And Detroit.
Sorry, rainbow for Detroit. And, oh yeah, Detroit is gravy too.
Oh, yeah. And Ottawa.
And Ottawa. And Anaheim. And here's our auto and his rainbow. It's not auto. What?
No, you got the auto from...
Oh, we got the Perry. Sorry, Jonas Donskoy, rainbow rookie for San Jose, and more gravy for Edmonton. Connor McDavid rookie.
Another one?
And another one.
That's 4?
3.
3 in a case?
Yeah,
Yeah.
you get like 5.
Every case we got like at least 4.
Yeah.
That's crazy. You
That's
just
what I'm saying. Like, even if you got Edmonton, you know,
taking a few extra shots during the national anthem.
that's crazy.
Oh, that was base. Never mind. Andy, can you put that for me? Thank you. And base. Okay, box 7 is 890. And people are still buying them for 15 a pop. Yep. Hey, anything Connor sells. Just like how they were selling Kobe Bryant's poop on eBay.
Seriously?
You didn't see that?
No, I didn't.
There was actually a piece of poop in a Ziploc bag, asking $5,000 for it on eBay. Kobe Bryant's last poop from the staple.
Pre-game.
No. After it was after game. It wasn't
Who
pregame.
went in the toilet after him to grab it?
Who can prove that? That's the
And why-
freaking question.
Why does he not flush? I got major problems with him.
Someone was actually in the toilet and was waiting for Kobe to drop it and hold it.
It's just disgusting.
Oh, gravy. Rainbow Retro Rookie for the Edmonton Oilers, Connor McDavid. Yay!
A lot of gravy for Edmonton.
That's a lot of gravy for Edmonton. Nice hit, Kyle.
Wow.
No.
Just
Just a good-looking card. That's all.
Yeah.
And Stanislav Galiev
That's crazy.
for Washington.
See, I like those cards. They look good.
Oh,
Which one is that?
oh.
Lemieux order.
Whose is that?
Lemieux.
On-
That's the retro
for sale?
Surge.
blue rainbow.
Yeah.
Freaking Surge is hitting crazy, huh?
Yeah, he's been going nuts on it.
He's probably bought a lot of.
Well, he owns a store.
I'm pretty
Well, I
sure.
don't know if he still owns a store, but he used to own a store.
I'm pretty sure.
Jonathan Quick tracks for the LA Kings and Charles Houdon for Montreal.
That was the retro blue rainbow, right?
Oh yeah, those bags of airs were selling as well. That's just stupid.
Came out of the
For the Winnipeg Jets, Brian Little tracks. I remember they used to have those things back in the day, and then eBay tracked it down, and they didn't let people to sell those. Like they were like Britney Spears, like dirty napkin, and like just weird stuff like that on eBay back then. Yeah, like there was air in a bottle from the World Cup or stuff like that. Wayne Gretzky retro for Edmonton, more gravy. Yeah, there was like an empty bottle, and it said this is the air filled from a World Cup game between Germany and Italy or some shit like that.
And people buy it.
And people buy it. For the Carolina Hurricanes, Noah Hannafin retro. And Mike Condon rookie for Montreal. Unreal. Retro, Jake Virtanen for Vancouver. Hey! And Tyler Lear for Philly.
You know what? Well, he didn't know, so I just said 75.
You don't know him, or you
I don't know.
just
For the Ottawa Senators, Eric Carlson, team logo.
look at
And Nikolai Ehlers for Jets.
There's not a lot.
For what? 75 for what?
Just buy a house on
For the Lazar?
No. I had McDaniel.
Oh, that's a nice one. Team logos, Eric Stahl for Carolina and
So
Linus Olmark for Buffalo.
He didn't get back. He didn't get back to me, so just put some eBay.
Isn't that Group C or something? Like 1 in like 6,000 packs?
4,000.
Yeah. For the Pittsburgh Penguins, there's this one. There's a signed version of it too, and it's beautiful. Team logos, Mario Lemieux for Pittsburgh, and it's signed right there. It's such a nice looking card. And Artemi Panarin for Chicago. Rainbow Tuukka Rask for Boston. I know someone that would be interested in that. Sandbagger. Where is he? Probably stuck at work.
What's he do?
I forgot. Oh, there is more gravy for Pittsburgh. Matt Murray Rainbow.
Are you kidding me?
Matt
can't
Murray
get a Shane Prince.
Rainbow.
Shane Prince, I can't
Rookie
get
for Pittsburgh. And Sam Bennett for Calgary.
I got 2 rookies now.
Who has Pittsburgh?
Yeah, Perico.
Nelson. Get those Murrays on eBay right now, buddy. Thomas Vanek Rainbow for Minnesota. And Andrew Kopp for the Jets.
Unbelievable.
Yeah, but just remember.
I guess when they were making Matt Murray,
Yeah.
they thought, oh, just another, we'll just overprint.
Rainbow Shea Weber for Nashville.
Every
And Nikolai Goldobin for the
rookie
Sharks.
has about 4 to 5 in every
Really, except for Shane Prince.
No, he does.
Retro Sam Bennett for Calgary. And Robbie Fabry for St. Louis. Hey!
The problem is I got like 10 of them now.
Nick
No.
Foligno for the Dead Team.
Claudio about.
Did he buy it?
I don't know. He says, show me any fabric.
And for the Oilers, Retro Glenn Anderson.
More gravy.
Adam Pellick
This is
for
more
the
ketchup.
Islanders.
More ketchup.
you sell the ketchup and you keep
And our first color of this box is for the Detroit Red Wings. Not bad. Andreas Athanasiou. Number 124 of 149. Not bad at all.
Seem to see any
You know, I don't see a lot of icons, but
Yeah,
I do not see a lot
because
of
Buffalo is not on top of the list. So see, that's the thing. All the ICO stuff is going to be higher in value. Oh, I wish it was Matt Murray. White ice for the Pittsburgh Penguins, Sergei Plotnikov, 80 of 199. And you get the guy that is not in the NHL anymore. And Ben Hutton for me. Hey,
That's fun.
come on, color. And it is gold. And it is for Pittsburgh. Sid the Kid, retro gold. Number 111 of
There
149.
you go.
And for the Buffalo Sabres, Jack Eichel. You just jinxed it.
How did I jinx it?
As soon as we said there's no Eichels, it just popped up. Hey, Hunter Shinkaruk on the back. And auto blue for the Philadelphia Flyers, retro rainbow rookie, Nick Cousin. There is the trade value, but you both got an auto. Nick Cousins for the Flyers. On card, a rookie retro. Hey! And Shinkaruk for me,
The Hunter.
the Hunter. And the final box.
All right.
If you haven't got a hit, time to get one.
I think everybody's got it.
Well, a good hit. That's what I meant.
two legends. That's it.
Okay.
We need a Brett Holt.
Last box, 1, 2, 4. Let's go.
Came out.
We need a Brett Holt for you.
Let's go. Who do we need, guys?
I was just saying to
Who do we need?
short clips.
Let's see who we need. Let's get a big one. Let's finish with a bang.
I've never seen. This is my first watching.
Let's finish with a Pavel Bure autograph. How about that?
So in a full case break, you would get what, 7 or 8?
No, in the 16 you would only get like 4 or 5.
We start with a rainbow retro of Jamie Benn for the Dallas Stars and a Mikko Rantanen for Colorado. Tracks for the LA Kings, Jeff Carter, and a regular Athanasiou for Detroit. I didn't even think Jeff Carter still has cards. How did they print Jeff Carter cards? And nice. Someone's going to be happy. Mikko Rantanen tracks for the Colorado Avalanche. There you go, Nelson. Your buddy. Tracks version. And for the Blackhawks, team logo, Jonathan Toews. UC Saros for Nashville. No, your camera sucks. Oh, actually, no, you got the new phone, huh? For the St. Louis Blues, team logos, Vladimir Tarasenko and Garrett Sparks for Toronto. For the Pittsburgh Penguins, retro, Daniel Sprung. For the Islanders, Mike Bossy. And for the LA Kings, Nick Shore. For the Colorado Avalanche, retro, Jerome McGillna and a Connor Hellebuck for the Jets. Can I see the photo? For the LA Kings, retro, Rob Blake and a rookie, Colton Perieko for St. Louis. Retro, Henrik Lundqvist for the Rangers. You know what, guys? I just realized this box doesn't have white powder on the cards. Just realized that now. I guess some cases don't. For the Blues, superstars, Vladimir Tarasenko and Nick Petan. Oh, that looks good. Nick Petan for the Jets.
How do you want me to send it to you?
Facebook. Rainbow, David Backes for the Blues.
Just post it?
No, like personal. Oh, nice. For the Edmonton Oilers, a rainbow rookie, Connor McDavid. That's the second one. So you got 2 regulars, 3 regulars, and 2 rainbows. There's a McDavid in the last box. You said it. You got it. And Malcolm Subban, rookie for Boston. Oh, there was a Trax corner?
Yeah.
Oh, this is past gravy. It's poutine
This is
now.
a cherry on top.
It's poutine. For the Blues, Jaden Schwartz.
I've never heard of that.
Sergei
I've
Pletnikov.
never heard of that.
It's got
For
cheese
Pittsburgh.
kids.
Gravy was like 5 cards ago.
And if you got an order, it'd be pulled for
For Chicago, Rainbow, Corey Crawford, and Max Domi for Coyotes.
Crazy. That's more.
What's up, Great Asian? You ready for $10 breaks, Great Asian? We'll be running some right after this. Anthony Stolarz, retro rookie for Philly, and Jake Virtanen for Vancouver. Hey. Rick needs some gravy. Oh, black ice, and it is for the Habs. Charles Hudon, black ice, 23 of 99. And for the Stars, Devin Shore. We have white ice, and it goes to Arizona, Shane Doan, number 188 of 199. And Oscar Lindbergh for New York Rangers. 2 packs left.
Was there an auto yet?
Nope. Come on, come on. White ice. And it's for Colorado again. Mikko Rantanen, 37 of 199. You got 4 different versions of this one now. Nelson. Huh? No, he's a Colorado fan. He doesn't care. He just got to get rid of his Matt Murrays. Okay, our last card of the break. First is a rookie of Ryan Hartman, and it's a blue rainbow, and it is... this guy again. Come on. Emile Poirier, retro rookie for the Flames.
Are you joking?
Boo.
He's the next Johnny Gaudreau.
Boo. Unreal. Bad finish. Bad finish. Yeah, well, that's his. Just gotta see what he wants to do.
No, I don't want to.
Okay, so we have a random to do between everyone in the room. We got the 5-card giveaway. Can you put this away, please? Thank you. So we got these cards to give away, courtesy of the guys in the room. 2 of them are. One is from Andy, Connor McDavid, regular rookie.
On that one again.
And we have this Devin Dubnyk booklet, 9 of 25, donated courtesy of Slick Rick 604. Next up is these cards that are by me. Nick Bukestad, Ice Rookie to 499, retired canvas of Jeremy Roenick, and a gold dual jersey 51 of 99, Marty Brodeur and Carey Price. So 5 different spot holders will get these cards randomly. I will set up the randoms in a few minutes, and we'll be back. Then we will do a couple of pack giveaways, and we'll see if we can fill our $10 break. I'm gonna quickly put a $10 break together, and we'll do that in a minute.
Alrighty, going
764. This one is 729.
Alright, man, I'm gonna get out of here.
Okay, buddy. Take it easy.
Alright, I'll see you.
For the base? Okay. Yeah, sure. Go ahead.
It doesn't touch it now because it's too late.
Okay.
Here comes number 1. Steel dealer days of
And then I'll try to get rid of them for it.
What the hell happened here?
handheld power equipment in Canada. With blowers starting at $179.95, grass trimmers $149.95, and chainsaws $229.95. Not at the Home Depot, not at Canadian Tire. Visit your local steel dealer for expert advice, on-site service, and Canada's #1 selling
Copy. And
So Andy's completely left?
he says bye. You can hear him?
That's good, okay.
Okay. So here are the randoms, guys. Right here. And I got to do this. McDavid. Actually, no, we don't need to do this. Okay, so we're going to randomize this list, and the top 5 are the winners. First is the booklet. 2 is McDavid. 3 is the dual jersey. 4 is Ronick, and 5 is Bukestad. That's how the rookies, that's how the giveaway is going to be. So number 1 gets the booklet, 2 McDavid, 3 dual jersey, 4 Ronick, and 5 Bukestad. Guys said earlier we're doing it 4 times, and it's 4 times. Good luck, guys. 1, 2, 3. Good luck, guys. Number 4. K3MB, you win the booklet. Daryl R, you win the McDavid. JB48317 wins the dual jersey. Mike Knowles wins the Ronick canvas, and Andy wins the Bukestad. There you go, boys and girls. Thanks for joining us. We'll be back shortly.